Are you ready to ace your OA-level computer science exams? Imagine the euphoria of exiting the exam hall completely convinced that you've given your absolute best. That's the exact feeling we aspire for every student to experience, and we firmly believe our immersive crash course can make it a reality. Our meticulously designed course offers an in-depth yet succinct review of the entire syllabus, creatively fusing theory and practice as it emulates the real exam environment. The course underscores understanding of concepts, honing problem-solving abilities, the art of articulate answer expression. But let's be clear, this course isn't about mindlessly memorizing facts. It's about comprehending the concepts at a profound level, applying them with finesse, and nurturing the ability to think critically. It's about sharpening your problem-solving acumen, learning the strategy to approach a question, and perfecting the skill of articulating your answer effectively. Admissions are open now for Paper 1 and Paper 2 of the OA Levels Computer Science Crash Course. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. This crash course is starting from the 1st of January. It's the perfect way to kick off the new year with a bang. So what are you waiting for? The clock is ticking and the seats are filling up fast. Register now. You'll find the link to the Google form in the description below.